In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email notifications in Todoist. Let's get started right from your Todoist account. First, open Todoist in your web browser and make sure you're signed in. On the main screen, look towards the upper left corner. You'll see your profile icon, which might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Todoist keeps most of your personal and account-related options, so you'll use this area anytime you want to adjust how the app behaves for you. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will open a new window or panel with several tabs and sections that control different parts of your Todoist experience, such as your account, theme, and notifications. Think of this settings area as your control center. Once you're in Settings, find and select the Notifications section. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a tab along the top or a menu item along the side. Click on Notifications to open all the options related to how Todoist communicates with you, including email, push notifications, and desktop alerts. We'll focus specifically on the email part here. Inside the Notifications area, look for the section labeled Account, or anything similar that refers to your account-related notifications. This is where Todoist lets you decide what kind of updates you want to receive by email. You should see different types of notification options with toggles next to them. These might include things like reminders, activity updates, or changes to shared projects. To enable email notifications, go through these options and toggle on the ones you want to receive by email. When a toggle is turned on, it usually changes color or slides to the other side, clearly indicating it's active. Take a moment to read each description so you don't accidentally turn on more notifications than you really need. For example, if you only want emails for important updates, you can leave the less urgent ones turned off. As you adjust these settings, Todoist should save your changes automatically, so there's no need to look for a separate save button. Once you're happy with your choices, you can close the settings window. That's all you need to do. You've successfully enabled email notifications in Todoist, and your account will now send you emails based on the options you turned on.